As a retired general of the Zimbabwe National Army, ZNA, Winston Mapuranga, I write this with a heavy heart and profound shock upon learning of the tragic and violent death of young Kudzai Saruwaka. Saramrapina mashkomla chitogwa panapa na General Winston Mapuranga pamusoro the death ya Saruwaka and subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anindramira chiti, though I did not know him personally, his vibrant spirit, fearless activism, and commitment to challenging the status quo in our beloved country remind me painfully of another bright young life cut short, Lenmo Jongwe. Jongwe was a promising lawyer, a passionate voice in the opposition, full of energy and conviction, who died far too young under circumstances that left many questions unanswered. Now, we face yet another loss of a young patriot, Kudzai, associated with the Gaza Revolution, reportedly gunned down in South Africa in what appears to be a targeted assassination. The details emerging speaks of a setup involving a mysterious client leading him into an ambush where both he and an innocent Uber driver lost their lives. No robbery, no theft, just cold-blooded murder. This is not the Zimbabwe we fought for, bled for, and dreamed of during the liberation struggle. We sacrificed so much to end colonial oppression and build a nation where difference, political or otherwise, are settling through dialogue, elections, and the rule of law, not through bullets and intimidation. Seeing young people full of potential and fire for justice eliminated because of their views or associations tears at the soul of our nation. Political violence, whether at home or in exile, achieves nothing but more divisions, more grief, and more instability. It weakens us all. Kudzai's death coming so soon after that of Blessed Geza raises grave concerns about the safety of descendants and the lengths to which some will go to silence opposition. We must demand accountability, a thorough and transparent investigation by South African authorities, and an end to this cycle of bloodshed. Nomashukano kudai pangwa inoi na General Mapuranga pamusoro aiwa assassination ya Saruwaka. Pina comment section medu za fungure aim out kudi pamusoro pechitko ichi. So unsubscribe or like chita on the bell icon.